Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, moving on. My goal here my original thought was I've always put this on the manifolds and they've held up very, very well. So I've got just enough left to finish this, but I saw something, you're not going to believe this. Here's the manifold. Okay, we've already talked about the fit, the finish. Fit, we haven't gotten to fit yet. But the finish on this, all these sharp edges, the casting, where they ground off, the casting is porous, like right here. Look at that one little spot that's porous. You got another one over here. It almost looks like it's been welded, but I know better. This casting seam right here is okay, but I wanted to show you something. We got the threads. They're kind of, I don't know if this is going to do it justice or not. Let me hold on. I got to change my camera settings here. See if I can get this to focus a little bit better. Ooh, that might be better. Okay, change the camera setting. So we've got really sharp edges in here. But that's not what I wanted to show you. Okay, we got, well, it's a little better. We got little, I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not, but there's little buggers in there. It kind of looks like, I don't know, what do you call it? Like the little Morse code bumps in there. So, alright, are you ready? I know, the suspense is killing me too. Let's get a better backdrop here. Okay, ready? Let me get a light. Okay, working around this tripod is not easy. Okay. What the devil is that? You have got to be kidding me. Looking down. Look at that. Big old chunk in the way. So I wanted to show you before I tried to. Oh no, that's in there. People wonder why I get upset with crap workman. Somebody machined this. Somebody cut this hole and then they faced it and they left that in there. Drive me nuts. Is that supposed to be in there? Because it ain't coming out. They even machined into it. You can't make this stuff up. They hit that. They hit it. It's flat right there. They hit this, came back up off it, said, oh, well, we'll just leave that there. It's fine. Yeah, and people were on my case about the head. There's a, oh, it's the other side of that lip there. Now I got to go through every one of these and try to look down the hole to see if I see light. I can't see that one at all. But I mean, come on guys, come on. Look at this. Now anybody else would have bought that. It was $100 plus shipping, tax and all that. But anybody else would have bought that and gone bloop right on the car. And then be like, oh, it used to have a little more power before it changed the manifold. I mean, come on, come on. Well, it ain't coming out that way, that's for sure. Good grief. I mean, I can't even... That hole... Oh my god, that hole is tiny. Somebody needs to recast these. Make it the same size all the way out. Is the old one like that? Here's the old one that warped. That's sharp. I didn't notice before. This is nice and smoothed out. And then this part here smoothed out. That's sharp. This is smoothed out. But this hole, I don't know, let's find a fatter finger. It's about the size of my middle finger. This hole is probably the same size, but I can't get my finger in because there's a big old blob of cast iron in the way. Why would you leave that in there? And they knew it was in there too because they hit it. Can you see? Let me see if I can get it better. Now that we got it out, we got a better view. Look at that machined spot right there. You see the shiny? That's machined. Here's the other side, not shiny. That's machined. Somebody hit that. Said, oh, there's a piece of crap in there. Yeah, we'll just leave it. This hole is smaller than this one. This piece right here. I can probably got another quarter of a finger. It's very, very small difference, but it is different. But I overthink things. I shouldn't be so picky. I overthink things. Yeah, I'm overthinking things. That's what happens. That's why I'm being like this. I don't want stupid mistakes on this guy's car. T4483. This says 47 on it. 47 Q2. This is 26F Q2. Let's get that on camera. Okay, that nut better go on. I'm going to be mad. That one. Okay, so we got 26F Q2 T4483. And then this one I thought I could do better than that. 47. What does that say? Hold on, we got to investigate this. (47H). Yeah, 47H. 26F. I think F is for fail. Okay, so next time somebody says, oh, you're being too anal, you overthink things. That's why I overthink things. That is absolutely unnecessary. Why? Why? You got the guy that machined it, then you got quality control, I assume. Nope, let it go. Send it to Gen 3. He won't notice. His customer won't notice. Alright, here we go. I said, this stuff is original cast iron gray finish. I've used this on just about every engine I've done, and it holds up really, really well. So I'm sticking to it. All right, let me finish that up. We'll finish that up, and then we'll get an after shot. Man, I just blows my mind. I think we're looking pretty good. I think it looks pretty snazzy. And now it's going to work right. Alright, we'll put that in the pile, and we'll put that in the pile and continue on. Not too bad. A little coat of paint makes a big difference. On to the next part. It's crazy.